everyone, so today we will be presenting on sustainable specification integration during construction phase. In the construction industry, specification play a crucial role in ensuring that a project meets the required standard of quality, performance and workmanship. This presentation aims to explain how construction specification for each stage of a project, such as the design stage, procurement stage, construction stage, and operation and maintenance stage. For each stage, we will explain one by one. Through this presentation, we hope to demonstrate how well prepared specification can lead to better project performance. Now, let us begin with the first stage, which is the design stage.
The design stage is an early stage of construction project where design drawings and specifications are prepared before tendering. At this stage, important decisions are made on materials, building system, and sustainability requirements. The parties involved during the design stage include the client, architect, engineers, and quantity surveyor. The client sets the project requirements and sustainability objectives. The architect prepares the building layout and design drawings, while engineers design the structural, mechanical, and electrical system. The quantity surveyor assists in cost planning and supports the preparation of specifications. During the design stage, sustainability considerations are integrated early to improve building performance. In this project, sustainability focuses on energy efficiency, especially through the selection of LED lighting. LED lighting is chosen because it uses less electricity, has a longer lifespan, and helps reduce energy consumption in building, supporting SDG 7 and SDG 11. The role of specification at design stage is to clearly state the quality, performance, and sustainability requirements of materials. For government projects, specification may refer to JKR standard specification and sustainability guidelines such as BICREX. Specification may also include the use of FC certified materials to support responsible material sourcing. As a supporting example, an LED lighting product catalog such as a Philips or Panasonic LED lighting catalog is used during the design stage. The catalog provides the information on wattage, energy efficiency, and lifespan, helping the design team select LED lighting that complies with FECS requirements by Suruhanjaya Tenaga. However, there are challenges during the design stage, including the higher initial cost, limited green material databases, and lack of local expertise sustainable design. In conclusion, the design stage is important in integrating sustainability by involving the design team, preparing clear specification, and selecting energy efficient system at an early stage of the project.
Hi, my name is Nur Arina Tasnim Bejirus Hafiza, and I'm going to continue about procurement stage. Procurement stage is when a company buys the materials or services needed for a project. It involves choosing supplier, comparing price and quality, signing contract, and managing delivery and payment.
Several parties are involved during this procurement stage to run the project successfully. First is the client. The client initiates the process by defining project needs, approving the budget, and making key decisions. Second is project manager. Project manager plans the required materials and schedules to match the project timeline. Third is quantity surveyor. Quantity surveyor handles cost control by sourcing quotation, preparing cost estimates, and checking quality compliance. Fourth is supplier. Supplier provides the required materials or services, while the contractor manages procurement and site implementation. Moving on to the specification role. Specification roles play an important role during the procurement stage because they clearly explain what the buyer needs. Clear specification ensures the right quality and standards are met, reducing mistakes and misunderstanding with suppliers.
Moving on to the challenges. One of the main challenges is preparing sustainable specification is the lack of the right supplier. Eco-friendly materials are often limited and come with higher initial costs. It is also difficult to verify sustainability certificate due to limited certified supplier and poor supply chain transparency. In addition, high tender timeline reduce the time for proper research, causing teams to prioritize the cheapest option instead of the most sustainable one.
For the construction stage, the main parties involved are the client, contractor, engineer, and the quantity surveyor. During this stage, the actual building work is carried out on site. This includes installing materials, executing workmanship, coordinating different trades, and monitoring work progress according to approved drawing and specification. At this stage, construction specification play a key role in ensuring quality assurance. Specification clearly define the required materials, workmanship standards, construction methods, and tolerance that must be followed by the contractor. According to JKR standard specification, for building works, contractors are required to comply strictly with specific material and workmanship to prevent defects and ensure consistent construction quality. From a quantity surveyor perspective, this stage is part of the post-contract phase. Therefore, clear construction specifications are essential to ensure that the quality plan during the design stage is properly delivered on site.
So I will continue explaining the role of specifications during construction stage. In terms of sustainability, the construction stage focuses on managing environmental impacts and controlling waste, as stated in the construction specifications. During the construction, specifications often require contractors to apply environmental management measures. These include proper segregation of construction waste, controlled storage of materials, and also reducing dust, noise, and site pollution. By following these requirements, the negative impact on the environment during construction activities can be minimized. Guidelines such as MICRAS also highlight the importance of sustainable construction practices. These guidelines encourage efficient use of materials and good site management in order to reduce waste generation and environmental damage. However, there are several challenges in implementing sustainable specifications during the construction stage. These challenges include a lack of awareness among site workers, tight project deadlines, and lastly, cost concerns. As a result, some contractors may ignore or simplify sustainability requirements to save time and money. Also, there are several journal studies published in construction management have shown that poor implementation of construction specifications is one of the main reasons for excessive construction waste. In conclusion, it is important to implement construction specifications effectively during the construction stage to promote environmental sustainability.
The operation and maintenance stage or O&M starts after a building is complete and handed over. Its main goal is to keep the building working efficiently, safely, and sustainably. Who's involved? The building owner, facilities manager, maintenance staff, users, and sometimes engineers or contractors. Everyone plays a role in running and taking care of the building. What happened? Daily operation and maintenance, like checking electrical, plumbing, and air conditioning system, cleaning, inspecting, and repairing as needed. Energy and water use are also monitored to reduce waste. Specification guide this process. They tell us how to operate systems, how often to maintain them, and which materials to use. Following this ensure quality, longer lifespan, and sustainability. Challenges include lack of knowledge, higher cost, and incomplete manual, which can affect building performance. Standards like JKR specification, GBI Malaysia, and MySecret show the proper O&M keeps building efficiency, sustainability, and cost-effective for the long term.
In conclusion, construction specifications play an essential role in ensuring both quality and sustainability throughout the building project. So at the design stage, specifications help set clear requirements for quality, performance, and sustainability, guiding early decisions on materials, systems, and costs. Next, during the procurement stage, specifications ensure the materials and suppliers meet the required standards, supporting responsible sourcing and value for money. And at the construction stage, specifications guides workmanship and environmental management practices, such as waste control, to ensure that quality and sustainability measures are properly implemented on site. Finally, during the operation and maintenance stage, specifications support efficient building operation and long-term performance. Overall, This shows that clear and well-implemented construction specifications are critical to achieving sustainable and high-quality building projects. So that's all from us. Thank you.